In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the focused and other inbox views in Outlook. If your messages keep getting split between focused and other, and you prefer a single unified inbox, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to turn that sorting off so everything lands in one place. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Give it a moment to load your mailbox fully so the top menu, also known as the ribbon, is visible. We'll be using the ribbon to adjust the way messages are organized, so make sure you're looking at your main mail view. Next, click the View tab along the top ribbon. The View tab controls how your mailbox is displayed, including layout choices and message organization. If you don't immediately see it, expand your window or look for tabs like Home, Send, Receive, and then choose View. Inside the View tab, find and click View Settings. This opens a dedicated settings window focused on how your content is arranged. Think of it as the control center for display and sorting behaviors that go beyond simple on and off toggles. In the settings window, navigate to the Mail section. Depending on your Outlook version, this may appear as a tab or a category along the side. You're looking for the place where message layout and focused inbox options live. The wording can vary slightly by update or edition, but you'll know you're in the right spot when you see focused inbox listed. Under focused inbox, choose Don't Sort My Messages. This setting disables Outlook's automatic separation into focused and other. From now on, your emails will arrive in a single view, typically ordered by date, which makes it easier to scan everything at once without checking multiple tabs. This doesn't delete or move any mail permanently, it simply stops Outlook from splitting the inbox into two categories. Finally, click Save to confirm the change. After saving, your inbox should refresh so that the focused and other tabs disappear, leaving you with one streamlined inbox. If it doesn't update right away, give it a second, or click into another folder and back to inbox to see the new view take effect. You can always return to the same place and re-enable sorting later if you decide you miss the focused view. A few quick tips as you wrap up. This change affects how messages display, not your underlying email data. All of your mail remains intact. Also, labels and buttons may look slightly different if you're using a newer or older Outlook build, but the overall path, view, view settings, mail, focused inbox, remains consistent. And that's it, you've removed the focused and other inbox views and consolidated your mail into one clear, consistent list.